Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're looking at the Northfell playing card. Here we have them here. Designed by Northfell, Hyoko Pan, made in the USA. It's a very simple light bluish grey tuck case with this strange pattern that goes around the outside, which we'll look more at when we get inside the deck. So here we are out of the plastic, and I did think this was going to have a sort of matte finish to it, but it's not. It's like a glossy tuck case, which is slightly disappointing. And the tuck seems very cheap, basic, hard there, but I mean it looks quite nice. Let's have a look here. So it's got a Joker and it's got that same logo which is stripped around the outside of the tuck case, but this is in a singular one. Looks a little bit like a fox maybe, or a bat. I think it's open to interpretation. Ace here, it's got that little logo lightly in the background, but you can't actually see it very well. Standard royalty. All the other faces are standard apart from this ace. Now we do have cards at the back. Blank face, double back. Now these feel really nice out of the pack. They feel like a... I'm presuming these are in the United States playing card company ones. They feel like them. Stock's very similar. They're cut in the same manner, so they've got the same sort of feel to them. Yeah, they feel quite nice. Looking at the back, you've got a double border here, the traditional white sort of poker border with an additional little grey bluey one in there. It says Northfell, do not forsake your seriousness. What? Do not forsake your seriousness, laughed yesterday. What? Doesn't make any sense. So I'm presuming this is like a bad translation, to be honest. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say about these. I mean, they're pretty disappointing, if I'm honest. I thought they were going to be a bit more, they're going to have a bit more substance to them. I thought there was going to be a bit more, thought there'd be a bit more going on. I mean, they're very basic. The borders are very basic. The fans are pretty basic. There's nothing really to them. I'm not even sure this is English. Do not forsake your seriousness, laughed yesterday. Pretty terrible. Really gutted because I was so intrigued by the tuck case. So in the comments section, let me know if there's any sense to be made from the writing on the back. But for me, it doesn't really make any sense at all. And yeah, I'm not particularly impressed. The Northtal. I don't know how to pronounce it. Northfell. A mediocre deck of cards. They're very well priced. They're very cheap, so they're no worse than a deck of standards, but they're no better either. There's no real quality in them. There's nothing. It just doesn't stand out for me. The tuck case, I was looking forward to what was inside, and it's just a little bit disappointing, really. But luck of the draw, I suppose. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something that I hope will be a little less disappointing. Take care.